Congratulations on acquiring your new snack vending machine. Whether you're diving into the vending business for the first time or you're a seasoned professional, this machine is designed to streamline your vending operation and boost your profits. In this Vendnet tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple setup process of your new vending machine, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient start. You got this. On the day of your installation, be sure to have the snack products you want to fill your new machine with on hand. You'll also need a roll of nickels, dimes, and quarters for change in your new machine. You'll need to fill the coin tubes with change in order to accept cash payments at your machine. We recommend putting chips and bagged snacks on the top 2 rows and a row of candy on the 3rd tray. You can find these products at your local wholesale club. We've purchased variety packs of 1-ounce chips for the best value and selection options. We've also purchased these variety packs of candy, nuts, crackers, and cookies. Once your machine is in the final position, locate the keys and open the machine's door. The keys should be located in the coin return cup located in the lower right part of your machine. Once you've found the keys, unlock your machine and secure the door open for easier setup. Turn the handle to the left to thread the handle out of this hole so that the flat part of the threaded handle is facing up. Now the door can slide open when you pull on the handle. Make sure your machine button is powered off before you plug in the machine. Consult this video for electrical information to consider before plugging in your machine. After you plug in your machine, head to the front of the machine to locate the power switch. The switch is located inside your machine to the right of the trays. Now press the power button to turn on the machine. You'll know everything is operational when the lights come on and the bill acceptor cycles. Now you're ready to load products. We recommend writing down all the numbered selections in the machine on a piece of paper. Next to each selection number, write the product and the price of the product you're going to put there. To load the machine, gently lift up and pull out the shelves. You'll feel it hit a stop, then lower it down at an angle. Now load the product into each selection, making sure you fill all the way from the front to the back without missing any space between the coils. We recommend filling each section of a tray, then moving to the next tray. When you're returning a tray to its original position, make sure it makes it over the 2 bump stops. Your machine is normally in sales mode, but service mode is where you will load coins and set prices. To place the machine in service mode, press the small button located on the control board on the upper right portion of the machine, inside the cabinet door. Once you push the service mode button, you'll hear a beep. To navigate service mode, use pound to save and enter, and star to back up. When you enter service mode, the display will show the number of motors the machine detects. These next steps will walk you through filling your coin changer so that your machine can accept dollar bill payments when it's in sales mode. Using the keypad on the exterior of the door, press 1 to begin loading the coins. Load each roll of coins into the machine coin insert slot here. Once all the coins are loaded, press the star key twice to exit service mode. Press 5 to enter pricing mode. You can choose to price the whole machine or an individual selection. Press 1 to price an individual item. Enter the selection number you want to price. Now enter the new price for the selection. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. Press 3 to set a price for all the items in the machine. Enter the new price. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. To retrieve cash and access the bills, press the button on the top of the bill acceptor cassette and lift up. Pull the bills out of the spring-loaded cassette. Retrieve your coins down here and empty your coins and return the box to its position. Please check out our other video tutorials on VendnetUSA.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.